Yeah, hello, I'm Uday Kumar here, and the proprietor of A.G. Madhavarao and Sons. We have been in this business since 1932. It was established by my father, late Mr. A.G. Madhavarao. He was a pioneer in plumbing and sanitaries since his younger age also. He had undertaken all the PWD works and BWC works and all those things. We are actually a licensed plumbing contractor also. We have a retail showroom in Malleshwaram, the same premises. We have a well furnished plumbing activity showroom dealing in all sanitary and water supply fittings. And presently we are undertaking all the projects like household maintenance jobs and household plumbing and sanitary works, and also apartment blocks. And all the apartment, we have completed nearly 25 to 30 apartment blocks, and particularly dealing in sanitary and water supply fittings and installation. So we actually take the licensing job also from start to finish, starting from the first raising the quotation as per the BOQ, and final preparation of the work, and then submission of the bill and sanctioning the same for the activities. And we have a team of experienced plumbers. We have about 4 sets of experienced plumbers who can attend to all the plumbing problems with ease. Also, we are available in Bro4U. Any enquiries, you please call up Bro4U so that our services will be ready for it.